Are you planning a trip to Spain and need to file out your visa application? In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to complete the Spain visa application form online for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the application form. First, head over to the official BLS International website or Spain Visa Application Center specific to Bangladesh. Here you can select your visa category and download the application form. Make sure to fill out completely and don't forget to sign it before submission. Step 2. Gather required information. Next, collect all the necessary documents as per the checklist provided on the website. Remember, all documents must be translated into Spanish and notarized, as the Spanish embassy in your country will not accept documents in any other language. Step 3. Book your appointment. Once your application form is ready and your documents are in order, it's time to book an appointment. Call the visa center to schedule your visit. This step is crucial as only applicants can enter the center on the appointment day. Visit the visa center. On your appointment day, go to the visa center with all your organized documents. Ensure they are submitted in order specified in your checklist and avoid stapling them together. Step 5. Submit your documents and biometrics. At the center, submit your documents and provide biometric data, which includes fingerprints, photographs. This is mandatory for Schengen visa application. Step 6. Pay your visa fee. Next, you will need to pay your visa fees. This is typically done via a demand draft made out of Embassy of Spain. Be aware that other fees may need to be paid in cash. Step 7. Collect your passport. Finally, once your visa has been processed, you can collect your passport from visa center. Keep in mind that authorized representatives cannot pick up passports on behalf of applicants. Here's bonus tips. The visa thing for convenience. Use visa thing for convenience. If you'd rather avoid visiting a center altogether, consider using Visa Things online service. You can complete your Spain visa application remotely by visiting their website. Just select your visa category, submit required documents, and pay fees online. Make the process smoother and hassle-free. In conclusion, applying for a Spain visa doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps carefully and preparing in advance, you can increase your chances of a successful application. Safe travels.